Hi guys, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some shallow fried Sabudana Vada. Sabudana is also known as sago or tapioca pearls. Sabudana Vada is traditionally made by deep frying. It soaks in a lot of oil while cooking and is thus not very healthy. I'm going to shallow fry them with just a few drops of oil, so making it much more healthier but retaining the lovely taste that you are familiar with. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be trying to bring you more healthy recipes as we go along. Thank you.
Take 1 cup of sago seeds in a bowl. Wash and soak them with very little water. The water should be reaching just the surface of the sago seeds and not overflowing it. Keep covered for 1 hour and it should swell up as shown. Divide it into 2 portions of 2:3. In the bigger portion, sprinkle some water and keep covered for further 1 hour to make it swell up even more. Dry roast the peanuts and coarsely grind them as shown and keep aside. Finely chop ginger and green chillies and keep aside. Wash and put a slit along the side of the potatoes and place them in the microwave and cook on full power for 5 minutes. Then turn over and cook for further 5 minutes. Times may vary depending on the size of your potato. Take the sago seeds in which you sprinkled more water along with the finely chopped ginger, green chilies, coriander leaves and salt in a bowl. Peel the cooked potatoes and put them in along with the coarsely ground peanuts. Mash together and mix well. Add a teaspoon of garam masala powder and squeeze some lemon into it. Mix it all together and take small portions in your palm and roll them into spherical shapes as shown. Repeat the process with the rest of the mixture. For some portions, you can also flatten it between your palm to form round shapes as shown. Both of them will be shallow fried differently. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough and keep it all ready before you start to shallow fry them. Heat a unipalm tray and put a few drops of oil in each cup. You can use a takoyaki tray if you don't have a unipalm tray. Take the other portion of the sago seeds that you have. Put the spherical balls that you have made into it and roll it in there. Press with your palm to make them stick together and put it in each of the cups of the unipalm tray. Repeat the process with the rest of the balls. Cook and covered till the undersurface turns golden brown. Take a non-stick pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil to it. Take the flattened shapes that you have made and roll it in the sago seeds, pressing with your fingers to make them stick together and place it on the pan. Repeat with the rest of the flattened shapes that you have. Cook covered till golden brown on the underside. In the meantime, the spherical shapes that you have made must have turned golden brown. Check and turn them all over as shown. Put a few drops of oil on it and allow it to cook on the other side. Check the flattened shapes and see whether they have got golden brown. If so, turn them over. When the spherical shapes have got cooked golden brown on all sides, transfer them onto a plate. Then check whether the flattened shapes are all cooked, and if so, transfer them also onto a plate. Transfer to serving dish. I have served 2 spherical and 2 flat ones with green chutney.